Hey, Ash Girl here. Today you have to listen another English conversation with me. Please listen carefully for this conversation. For better experience, use headphones. Feel free to watch this video multiple times, pausing after each sentence or phrase to repeat and practice aloud. Okay, come with me.
Hey, Alex. How was your recent trip? I heard you went on a vacation.
Hi, Lily. Yes, it was an incredible experience. I traveled to Thailand.
That sounds amazing. Which cities did you visit?
I explored Bangkok, Chiang Mai, and Phuket. Each place had its unique charm.
Wow. Did you have any favorite attractions or activities?
Definitely. In Bangkok, I visited the Grand Palace and Wat Arun. The intricate architecture was breathtaking. In Chiang Mai, I got to interact with elephants at an ethical sanctuary, which was a memorable and rewarding experience. And in Phuket, I enjoyed the beautiful beaches and went snorkeling.
That sounds like a dream vacation. Did you try any local cuisine?
Oh yes. Thai food is incredible. I tried traditional dishes like pad thai, green curry, and mango sticky rice. The flavors were out of this world.
I'm getting hungry just thinking about it. Did you encounter any challenges during your trip?
Well, the language barrier was sometimes challenging, but most locals were friendly and helpful. Also, navigating through crowded tourist areas required some patience.
I can imagine. Traveling to new places always comes with its own set of adventures. Did you meet any interesting people along the way?
Absolutely. I met fellow travelers from different parts of the world. We shared stories, recommendations, and even went on some excursions together. It was great to connect with like-minded people.
That's the beauty of traveling, the opportunity to meet new people and create lasting memories. Any standout moments from your trip?
One of the highlights was witnessing a breathtaking sunset on a boat tour in Phuket. The colors of the sky reflecting on the ocean were simply mesmerizing. It was a truly magical moment.
It sounds absolutely magical, Alex. I'm so glad you had such an incredible experience. Traveling really opens our eyes to the beauty of the world.
It truly does, Lily. I feel grateful for the opportunity to explore new places and immerse myself in different cultures.
Well, I can't wait to hear more about your travel adventures. It's inspiring to see how much you've experienced and enjoyed.
Thanks, Lily. I'd love to hear about your recent travels too. Let's catch up over coffee and share our stories.
That sounds like a plan, Alex. Let's make it happen. Safe travels until then.
Absolutely, Lily. Take care and see you soon.
Take care too, Alex. Bye for now.
Bye.